Hi guys, welcome back to again. This is another tutorial of mine to solve a common problem of Play Store on Android phone. When we want to install or update an app from the Play Store, the app is not installed or updated, it shows a message. It seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. This is a common problem and we can solve it very easily. At first, we know why this problem occurs. In our phone settings, there is a setting. And with that setting, we can give special permission to the apps installed on our phone, so that the apps can drawing over the phone display. For example, screen recorder, Facebook Messenger, etc. And when an app drawing over the display of our phone. And if Google understands that, and just in time if we want to install or update an app from the Play Store, then the Google Play Store will show such message without installing or updating app. Because Google thinks if an app drawing over the display of our phone, it can steal any sensitive information from our phone. And that's why stopping installing or updates from the Google Play Store, sending such messages. Hope you can understand why this problem occurs. Let's start how to solve such problems. Close the Play Store, or if any other app is minimized, we'll close them. Go to your phone settings. Go to app. Go to display over other apps. Guys, depending on the model of the phone, the settings may different. In this case, going to the search bar of the phone settings, by typing the display over other apps, you can enter directly. Here, you will turn off the permissions of the apps that are turned on. The words may vary depending on the model of the phone. For example, if select, always in my phone, the app is active, and if there is not allowed then the apps are deactive. In case of your phone, may be enabled or disabled, or icon. Hopefully by looking at the words you can understand which apps have permission turn on or off. The problem will be solved whenever you turn off the permissions. Hope you understand why this problem is create and how to solve it. Guys, let me know your problem fixed or not. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.